What the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we're going down to the bay to go pick up a B18 B1 for the fuck. Fuck. What the fuck is up, guys? So today we're going down to the bay to go pick up a new motor for the EK. I got bars. We got Jordan in the front, Truman whipping the fucking Supra. We got Atasha and Delube Joe Bob. So today, like I said, we're gonna go pick up. Nice. So today we're gonna go pick up that new motor. Yeah. So road trip. We'll catch y'all whenever we're doing some other shit. All right, y'all. So we just got to store 24. We're about to get some gas station pickups.
I'm not wearing this just because I'm going to the bay.
Let's get the fit check of Joe real quick. Oh, 40s and shorties. Right down. Okay, we got the fit put together by her.
Cigarettes.
Yeah, so this is sticks. So we're about to get some.
Would it be pointless just to go to the bay? Not on camera, he's vulgar.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some big things. Fuck. What to get? What to get? We got everything. But we'll catch y'all whenever. Yeah, we're gonna get crack. I'll catch y'all whenever we get. So Troy is currently devouring some meat like normal, but got the iced tea. She got the Pringles. Joe Bob got aloe and some guac chips.
Yeah, bro, they're pretty good.
Got Jordan. I don't know what Jordan got, but so yeah, we just got. Yeah, we got the Tundra, the big old V8. You feel me? They got him in it. But yeah, so we're gonna get headed out now. We got a long ass drive ahead of us. It's gonna be like, fuck, 3-hour drive or so. So we're gonna get going. And I don't know. Probably vlog on the way if we see anything cool or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get this shit. So I made it to the food spot. If you guys are in the Santa Rosa area, I highly recommend Ip and Udon. Some of the fucking best Asian food that you guys can get out around here. But, huh? Oh yeah, or his aunt's place. What's it called?
Noodle Palace.
Noodle Palace. But yeah, we're about to get some grab and eat some of that good food. Go ahead, baby. Thanks, baby.
I fucked it up.
A little bit.
Whoa!
Alright, so I got the chicken fried rice. What'd you get?
I got the steak udon and pork egg rolls.
What'd you get, Jordan?
The beef fried rice.
And Joe got soup. Now, what'd you get, though?
Oh, I got the house fried rice.
Yeah, so right now we're just waiting on this. We're about to grub and then do some shit after. I don't really know, but yeah.
No,
Alright, man, we just ate some grub. We got some new drip.
It's just us leaving Joe in the parking lot.
We got some new drip. Put that drip on way. So, damn, way. Yeah, damn, boy, you got that double bird, what? Oh! We got that double drip. Yup. Yeah, that shit with gas. A lemon out of Tim. That joint went hard. Hard, Troy. That joint went hard. Oh, fuck.
That joint went
That
hard.
joint went too hard, bro. Oh, God.
The bike.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it to the spot. Right now we're waiting for the guy to come, and we're actually about to go look at this FRS because I mean, she looks pretty dope. But yeah, I mean, we had to get out. Troy's still trying to park and everything. We had to get out because our legs are fucking killing us. But damn. Oh shit. This shit's so hella cool. I hope no one's inside of it. That'd be awkward. Damn. She got the STI wing. Wow. These are beautiful. Damn. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna wait for the guy to come, I guess, and then we're gonna, you know, get the motor and everything. All right, so we got the motor all strapped down and everything. It took a minute because we don't know how to use ratchets, so they had to help us. But yeah, so this is the motor. Troy seems pretty stoked about it. Looks so excited right now. But yeah, good shit. We got it in.
And it's an SI. Yo.
Some Asian dude.
I actually on my list.
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh man.
It says my name is Professor Watkins. There's definitely not a motor under there.
Nope.
But now we're going shopping. We're at Target or the mall, and
What are you doing?
Joe's just doing Joe things, you know. But yeah,
Having people look at us like
Let's
we're
just
fucking
be like
crazy
a
because we
mom.
Joe.
that'd be terrible. Get in there, Joe.
Wait,
I like it.
It's a Beamer. Alright, so we just got out of the mall, picked up some goodies and shit, but now we have a 3-hour drive back home. So
Oh.
You're quiet. They make me
Telecom.
yeah, so we got the shit back there. And now we got the 3-hour drive back home.
Manual.
So
This release
yeah,
is
so we'll catch you
$8.90.
guys when we get home.
Holy
Hey Joe, hey, get a roll. Someone take a picture of it instant and get a roller for us. I'll move the lane over once it's parked. He's still going! Bro, he's aiming low. See sparks. I want to see sparks.
Damn, hey, hit him up, hit him up, hit him up.
Fucking blocked in.
Damn, foot.
See, I love cars, but man, them trucks be.
I gotta do it.
Alright, y'all, so we're at a gas station. We got a motor, we got some food. But we're gonna outro the vlog right now. It's not gonna be that long of a video. Just some quick little thing. But yeah, so we're gonna end it right now. It's pretty late right now. We're just gonna end up getting home and going to sleep. So
We got school tomorrow.
yeah, we got school tomorrow. So we're gonna end this right here. Hope everyone has a good day. If you made it this far, if they made it this far, what should the word be? What's it gonna be, Joe?
What?
The word. What do they comment if they made it this far?
You made it this far. Comment.
8 Series Joe Bob. Oh God, 823
No,
Joe Bob.
Delube.
Slow Joe.
Delube, Slow Joe, H23 Joe Bob.
No,
Joe. And I will send you a sticker. Okay, so follow my car account.
All right, we're gonna end it here, guys. Y'all have a good night. We'll catch you on the next video. Deuces.